Alright guys, it's about to be a new year. And there's a few things we think you could do a little bit better in 2017.
First off, try to recognize that America was never great for anyone who wasn't a white guy. Can we all just agree that Black Lives Matter isn't the opposite of All Lives Matter? Black lives just matter. There's no need to overcomplicate it.
Also, Blue Lives Matter isn't a thing.
Cowboy boy with blue skin? Right? I mean, yeah, they want born blue.
Stop bragging about being woke.
Stop saying woke. Learn what mansplaining is, and then stop doing it.
Oh, and if you're a judge, don't prioritize the well-being of an Ivy League athlete over the woman he assaulted. We all love Beyonce, and yeah, she's black, so of course she cares about black issues. I'm talking to you, Fox News. Feel free to take Kanye West, though. You guys can have him. Nobody who has black friends says that they have black friends. And just because you have black friends doesn't mean you're not racist. You can be racist with black friends. Look, guys, we know nobody's perfect. But honestly, you could do a little better in 2017. Some of you guys do a great job. Some of you don't. Please, because 2016 is bad. 2017 can't be worse than this, alright? Because this is bad.